Hi, and welcome back to another EZReader computer checklist tutorial. At the end of the first video, I mentioned a few additional things that we check at installation. So here we will run through those items and we will discuss making desktop icons larger. So actually, let's start with that first. So from your Windows desktop, do a right mouse click, and then we're going to click on View. And then here, we just want to make sure that large icons is selected. So if you have medium or small selected, just click on large icons and you'll see the icons change size on your desktop. All right, next we're going to review how to check for Windows updates. So let's open the Windows Settings application. I have it pinned to my Windows taskbar, but if you don't, you can go to the search bar and type in Settings, and then click to open the app. Once Settings is open, from the left-hand side of your screen, select Windows Update, and then click on Check for Updates. Just go ahead and let that run. It shouldn't take very long. If you have any updates that need to be installed, you can go ahead and install them immediately, or they will install at the next restart. All right, so next we're going to check to make sure that Windows Defender is enabled and run a quick scan. So again, we're going to go back to Settings. And on the left-hand side, we're going to click on Privacy and Security. And then we're going to click on Windows Security. And here we're going to open Windows Security. Now I already have Windows Defender enabled, so it's here underneath Virus and Threat Protection. It says no action needed. If it was not enabled, you may see a message that says turn on or go to Settings to enable. So I'm going to click on Virus Protection and do Quick Scan. All right, so this is going to run in the background, and it's going to take a bit of time. So we can actually go ahead and close this window and continue working. You will see a Windows notification appear when the scan is complete. Okay. Lastly, we're going to download the Chrome browser and make it the default. If you don't already have Chrome, you most likely have Edge as your default browser. So let's go to the Windows search bar, type in Edge, and then click the app to open. And then you want to go to google.com and then just search Chrome. It should be the first search result that pops up, but we do want to go ahead and click on the second link that says download and install. And then how to install Chrome for Windows, and then do download the installation file. And then download. You should see your download window appear. Once the download is complete, go ahead and open the setup file and go through the installation process. Once the installation process is complete, let's check to make sure that Chrome is set up as our default browser. I'm going to go ahead and close my Edge browsers. We're going to go back into Settings. We're going to go into Apps, and then we're going to choose Default Apps. So this screen is going to pull up all the apps on your computer. Right here where it has Search Apps, I'm going to type in Chrome, and there it is. I'm going to go ahead and click on the arrow. And then here it says Make Google Chrome your default browser. Hit Set Default, and that will change Google Chrome to your default browser. All right, well, thank you very much for watching this video today. If you have any questions about these checklist items, please reach out to the EZReader support team.